Welcome back to the channel, guys. So the breaking story at this point in time is that reggae singer Frankie Paul has passed away. He died about 10 p.m. last night at the University Hospital of the West Indies in St. Andrew, where he was admitted since April for kidney related problems and was on dialysis twice per day. He had incurred a huge medical bill of approximately $1.5 million, where his friends and families, his sister Trish Clarke and producer Wayne Lonesome had been trying to raise money to offset his hospital bill. The news broke that he passed away. He was born in 1965 and was born blind. He spent his childhood years at the Salvation Army and would have met American R&B legend Stevie Wonder when he came for a show in Jamaica in the 1970s. He urged Frankie Paul to pursue a career in music, and he did. He also played a number of instruments similar to Stevie Wonder. He had migrated to Gambia in 1994 and would have released massive hits in the 80s and 90s like Words in the Dance, Ku Shung Peng, Cassanova, Sarah, among others. So he is well known for his musical prowess, but has been sick for a number of years, and he has succumbed to his illness. As I said, it was kidney related.
Them a preach and preach, step over they go beat and teach. See them so me see, beat and teach. So beat and teach, so beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach.
So peeps, as I said, Frankie Paul, his birth name was Paul Blake, age 52, died at the University Hospital approximately 10 p.m. last night. That would be Thursday, the 17th of May 2017. Battling kidney related issues, was on dialysis for a period of time. Actually had to have 2 sessions per day, and he has passed away. Yeah, another one of the legends has been silenced. He would have made a name for himself with hits, as I told you before, like The Score, which I don't think I mentioned earlier. So just one of them things. Condolences goes out to his friends, his family, his colleagues in the music fraternity. So just another one of them things, peeps. You know them say, good people die young. I mean, 52 is pretty young. You understand what I say? So it is very unfortunate, but that is the situation at the moment, guys. We'll keep you up to date. Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying, until next time, walk good.